Space, the final frontier. It's a place so mysterious and vast that we humans are only beginning to scratch the surface of its secrets. We look up at the night sky and see tiny dots of light, but hidden behind those stars are incredible facts that sound completely fake at first, yet they're absolutely true. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most mind-blowing facts about the universe that will change the way you see the cosmos forever. Get ready, because number 1 will absolutely blow your mind. Fact number 10, a massive cloud of alcohol floats in space. In the Sagittarius B2 region, scientists discovered a giant interstellar cloud of ethyl alcohol. Yes, the same kind of alcohol found in wine and beer. This cosmic booze cloud is so enormous, it's estimated to be 1,000 times larger than our solar system. Of course, you can't drink it, the concentration is extremely thin and mixed with toxic gases. But the fact remains, there is literally enough alcohol in space to make trillions of pints of beer. The universe might just be the ultimate party host. Fact number 9, a day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition. But in terms of time, it's completely bizarre. The planet rotates so slowly on its axis that one single day lasts 243 Earth days. Meanwhile, it orbits the Sun in just 225 days. That means if you lived on Venus, you'd celebrate your birthday before you ever saw the sun rise and set once. Imagine waking up and knowing you won't see the next sunrise for 8 months. Fact number 8, neutron stars spin insanely fast. When a massive star collapses after a supernova, it can leave behind a neutron star. These stars are unimaginably dense. Just a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons. But here's the kicker, because they're so compact, they spin incredibly fast. Some neutron stars, called pulsars, rotate hundreds of times per second. To picture this, imagine something the size of a city spinning faster than a blender blade. If Earth rotated that quickly, continents would fling off into space instantly. Fact number 7, there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. We often hear that there are more stars than grains of sand on Earth's beaches. But when it comes to trees, Earth actually wins. Current estimates suggest there are about 3 trillion trees on our planet, compared to around 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. So next time you walk through a forest, remember, you're surrounded by more neighbors than the stars above your head. Fact number 6, space smells like burnt steak and welding fumes. You might think space is odorless, but astronauts returning from spacewalks often report a strange smell clinging to their suits. They describe it as a mix of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. This smell comes from highly energized atoms that stick to their suits and react when exposed to air back inside the spacecraft. So yes, space might just smell like your backyard barbecue gone wrong. Fact number 5, there's a diamond planet. Far beyond our solar system lies 55 Cancri e, often nicknamed the Diamond Planet. It's twice the size of Earth and is believed to be rich in carbon. Under extreme pressure, that carbon could form massive amounts of diamond. In theory, an entire third of this planet might be made of diamond. Imagine a world where mountains sparkle, and the ground itself could be more valuable than all the wealth on Earth combined. Fact number 4, you'd get taller in space. Gravity constantly pulls us down on Earth, compressing our spines. But in microgravity aboard the International Space Station, astronauts can grow up to 5 centimeters taller. Unfortunately, this height boost is temporary. Once they return to Earth, gravity compresses their spines again, and they shrink back to normal. Still, for a short time, space literally makes you taller. Fact number 3, black holes can slow down time. Black holes are already mysterious, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what's even stranger is their effect on time. Einstein's theory of relativity shows that the closer you get to a black hole, the more time slows down relative to the outside universe. For example, if you spent just a few hours orbiting near a black hole, you might return to find that years or even centuries have passed for everyone else. In other words, black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're also natural time machines. Fact number 2, Saturn could float on water. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, but it's mostly made of gas, with a very low average density. In fact, Saturn is less dense than water. So if you had a gigantic cosmic bathtub big enough, Saturn would literally float like a giant beach ball. Of course, good luck finding a bathtub 120,000 kilometers wide. Fact number 1. The observable universe is unbelievably huge. Finally, let's talk about scale. The observable universe, the part we can see, stretches about 93 billion light-years across. That means light, the fastest thing we know, would take 93 billion years to travel from one side to the other. And remember, that's just the observable part. Scientists believe the universe could be much larger, possibly infinite. To put this in perspective, if our galaxy, the Milky Way, were the size of a single grain of sand, the observable universe would be a beach stretching across an entire continent. It's so vast that our minds can't truly comprehend it. And yet, we're lucky enough to be tiny creatures on a small blue planet, gazing out into this endless ocean of stars. So there you have it, 10 space facts that sound completely fake, but are absolutely true. From planets made of diamonds to black holes bending time itself, the universe never stops surprising us. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below, and if you love exploring the mysteries of space, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cosmic content. Because out there, among the stars, there's always something new to discover.